What's going on, everybody? Welcome to another video on 570 channel. Today we're going to take another lake ride, but this is a different lake than we rode to in my previous video. This one's a little bit farther away. It's not too far though, and it's a much bigger lake. We are in Pennsylvania Amish country right now. All these fields are Amish fields, so Amish farmland. If you're not familiar with Amish, it's a religion that does not believe in modern technology. So if I was Amish, I wouldn't be riding a motorcycle, I wouldn't have a camera, I wouldn't be on YouTube, unless I didn't tell anybody. You know, I don't know whether they do that or not. There's rumors that they have technology. Some of them do, some of them don't. I would probably leave it at that. The one thing that they do to get around is they have horse and buggies. All that horse poop in the road is from Amish horse and buggies. Garage sale. Lots of junk at the garage sale. How do you say garage? Garage? And speaking of how do you say things, when I say Pennsylvania Amish, how do you say Pennsylvania? Some people not from my area they think I say it funny. Some of you guys say Pennsylvania. Some of you say Pennsylvania. I just say Pennsylvania. To me it sounds right. You know, when you live here, you have your own way of saying things. Here's the dam we're coming up to right now. It's a bigger lake than Rose Valley that we were on in my last video. I think I mentioned that already. The roads are a lot better here than they were at Rose Valley Lake. I gotta give them that. Not seeing so many bumps this time. You have to watch walking, like if you're from this area, if you walk in the paths along here, there's a lot of walking paths. We have ticks really bad in this part of the state. Not too much to see here. You can kind of see the lake over there. Roadkill, roadkill. Take that home and have it for dinner. Delicious. What do you call it, a groundhog or a woodchuck? A woodchuck could if a woodchuck... What is it? A woodchuck would if a woodchuck could if a woodchuck could chuck wood. But we're gonna stop up here and take some pictures of the bike because this is a cool little area to take pictures of it. See what I mean? See what I mean? Come on. Holy gosh. You just got a canoe. Move it. Is that even considered a boat? Coming up here in front of us is exactly what I was telling you. Pennsylvania Amish. There's a horse and buggy. That's how they get around. No motorcycles for them. Beautiful horse, a little buggy. There's horse poop from the Amish. There's more horse poop right there. You can say what you want about the price of gas and how it's hurting the environment, but right there's proof that horses are polluting the environment. I'm joking, all right? I'm joking. That's an Amish house. All their clothes are hanging out to dry. No washers and dryers. They do it all by hand. I love this bike. There's so many awesome things about this bike that people don't realize. Number one, the price isn't bad, so you can get into this bike and not break the bank like you can some other bikes. And it's a KTM. I mean, KTM's a great brand. It's a fun bike. It's full size, so it fits you well. Like if you're a full size person, it's gonna fit you well. Where a Grom, iffy sometimes. Iffy when it comes to a Grom. Here, you want to go through here? Let's go through here. We could just ride right off that dock. We could just like fly out and ride over there. Probably not a good idea. This dude here is just fishing off the bank. No boat. It's okay, man. I like that Toyota. I like the color of it. Yeah, buddy! We don't want that horse to race me. What do we have up here? Roadkill? Right there's roadkill. Hi, buddy. Oh, buddy, I don't think you're sleeping, man. Here's another horse and buggy. So can you imagine living like that, where a horse and buggy is your main source of transportation? You know, you're going to the grocery store, you're going to church. Oh, there's more roadkill right there. Hello, dear. Oh my God, you stink. Woo! Roadkill stinks so bad. I would rather smell Amish horse poop than roadkill, especially from a deer that's been sitting out. I mean, it's 90 degrees today. It's been sitting out baking. It doesn't smell like steak cooking on a grill, I can tell you that. So many things different about riding a motorcycle, but when it comes to smells, you pretty much smell everything, and you can't put the recirculate on. You're pretty well stuck. You're gonna smell it, whether it's a dirty farm or a roadkill or an exhaust. You're gonna smell it. In case you didn't know, we're heading back now. Hold on there, FedEx truck. Thank you for paying attention. Woo, that wind feels good. Well, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed riding along to the PP&L Montour Preserve Lake with me today.